What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you exactly how to make $100 a day, if not more, just by flipping stuff on Offerup to eBay, or you can even be using Craigslist and eBay, any of these classified sites. So getting right into it, this method was taught to me by my buddy Zach. Now, if you aren't following Zach, boom, right here, that's going to be his Instagram username. He posts so much value on his Instagram nonstop, and he just gives away so much free money, basically. So what we're going to be looking for is not just any items. It's going to be kind of like three things. What we're going to be looking for are brand new printers, brand new toners, and Texas Instrument calculators. So that stuff works really well. Of course, there's other items, but these are kind of like main things, especially printers. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. So search right off the bat. I'm just going to type in printer, if I can type. Cool. All right. So he makes a lot of money doing this, and he says he buys printers for like 50 bucks and is able to flip them for like hundreds. So I didn't believe this, so I tested it for myself because I love figuring out new things and testing it, and turns out it actually works. So what you do when you're going about this, obviously you do it in your city, and just go down the line and look for ones that are brand new in the box. So I'm going to be going down the line looking for ones that are brand new, this one, this one, this one. Okay. So going down the line, things are brand new in the box. For the video purpose, I already kind of know like a printer that sells fairly well. A lot of these were used printers. You kind of want to stay away from that because obviously you don't want to be testing out printers and getting all your hands dirty. So you want this like entirely automated. So looking over here, let me see if I can find the printer that I found earlier. If not, that's going to be right here. Boom. Okay, so automatically, let's say we get a ton of printers used up. So this is new. I would just going to look at the condition right away. Used, no. Used, no. New, cool. So I'm going to look up this printer for now. So new HP printer. So boom, 5660. Says it's new, never used. eBay. HP 5660 printer. Okay. So what I want to do, okay, so already eyeballing it, it looks like they're selling brand new for 59 bucks, 70 bucks, and if I need to buy it for 50, not really interested in that, so I'm gonna not do that. Now this one. This is one, and you'll usually find these golden nuggets probably like once every couple weeks. But right here, Pixma IP4200. So I'm just gonna copy and paste that. Boom. So what I wanna do is not only do I want, okay, so we got printer head and stuff. Yeah, it's not what I want. I wanna figure out the printers. So I'm gonna type in printer, and then what I wanna do is I don't care about what it's selling for. And obviously you're probably excited because it's 350 bucks. Whoa, right? I want to go to completed listings because this is going to show me listings that have ended. Not sold, but just listings that have ended. And I want to look at listings that have just ended because I can tell whether people are buying it or if it's sold or whatnot. So black text on the price means that it just ended without selling. Green means it's sold. So what I want to do, my next step, is after figuring out what I can get it for, is I want to look for what it's previously sold for on eBay. So going down the line, this one is pre-owned. I need something brand new, so I'll actually search by new. So going down, I don't want any printer heads. Okay, and boom. Okay, so January 14th, this sold for $400, 430 bucks. Okay, excellent. Going down the line more, we have a new other, so 275 didn't sell, okay. Going down, new needs, let's see. So why is this one only 60 bucks? Let's see. Main photo listings, original seals or printer broken. It does not come in the original box. Okay. So maybe that kind of sketches people out. Like maybe it is used. But $85 it sold for before over here. $275 it sold for again. What date was that? Okay. November 19th. So it looks like anytime that it gets listed, it's sold, except this one scenario over here. But I'm willing to spend $50, and I could probably negotiate it and get it lower. I could probably get it for 30 bucks. I'm willing to spend $50 to flip this into 400 bucks. So just contact them, meet up, and then once you get it, list it on eBay. You can also list it on Amazon, but you need brand approval for this stuff. Usually on Amazon, you can get more money from it, but if you are gated, you cannot sell it. So I recommend doing this with printers, toners, and Texas Instrument calculators. Dude, toners are the most crazy thing because when people sell toners on OfferUp, it's most likely because their office like ordered the wrong one, or maybe they ordered the wrong one, so they're just selling it to get rid of it. And then toners, some of them sell like $100 a piece, and some of them you could buy in here for like $20 a piece. So right here, this just showed that I can make probably $300 a day profit just by getting one printer and listing it. So not only could I make $100 a day, but today I can make $300 if this is something that I want to get involved with. And if you're in Vegas, contact this guy. Maybe it's still going to be available. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, give Zach a follow on Instagram because he's always dropping information and golden nuggets like this. But thank you so much, guys. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. See you all in the other videos. Take care.